Mafra, located in northern Jordan near the Syrian border, is a growing city known for its cultural diversity, universities, and proximity to archaeological sites. While not as touristy as Amman or Petra, Mafraq offers comfortable hotels and guest houses that cater to business travelers, students, and visitors exploring Jordan's northern landscape. Here are the top 10 hotels in Mafraq. The first one is Mafraq Hotel and Resort. Mafraq Hotel and Resort is the city's most well-known property, offering resort-style facilities with spacious rooms and modern interiors. Guests enjoy amenities like a large swimming pool, fitness centers, spa, and multi-dining options. The hotel is popular among business travelers and families looking for comfort. Its staff are praised for professional and attentive service. The location makes it convenient for exploring both Mafraq and Amman. The second one is Al Jazeera Hotel Mafraq. This mid-range property provides clean and functional rooms with Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and private bathrooms. Guests appreciate its central location near markets and transport hubs. The on-site restaurants serve traditional Jordan and Middle Eastern dishes. Service is efficient and the hotel is known for affordability. It's a practical choice for short stays at business weeks. The third one is Sama Mafraq Hotel Apartments. Ideal for families and long-term visitors, Sama Mafraq offers apartment-style stays with kitchens and living areas. The rooms are spacious, modern, and well-maintained. Guests highlight the flexibility of cooking meals while enjoying hotel services. Its quiet environment and helpful staff add to its comfort, perfect for travelers who want a home-like stay. The fourth one is Mafraq Palace Hotel. Mafraq Palace Hotel blends traditional decor with modern comforts. Rooms are cozy, featuring comfortable beds, Wi-Fi, and private bathrooms. Guests enjoy the warm hospitality and central locations close to the main shopping area. The in-house restaurants sell local delicacies. It's an affordable yet culinary choice for travelers. The fifth one is Horizon Hotel Mafraq. Horizon Hotel offers a boutique-style experience with stylish interiors and upgraded amenities. Rooms are equipped with flat-screen TVs, mini bars, and modern bathrooms. Guests love the quiet surrounding and professional service. The rooftop cafe is a highlight, offering views of the city. It's a treat for couples and business travelers. The next one is Al Zahra Hotel Apartments. This property provides furnished apartments ideal for students, families, and business guests. The rooms come with kitchen use, dining area, and comfortable beds. Guests highlight its value for money and convenience. The staff are friendly and sportive, often assisting with local arrangements. A reliable stay for long-term visits. The next one is Crown Inn Mafraq. Crown Inn is known for its neat and clean environment, offering comfortable rooms at mid-range prices. Guests enjoy Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and in-room dining. The property is close to local eateries and shops, making it convenient for city explorers. Staff are professional and service-oriented. A dependable stay for both leisure and work. The next one is Al Amal Guest House, a family-run guest house offering budget stays with personal hospitality. Rooms are motels called well kept with Wi-Fi and private bathrooms. Guests especially enjoy the home, play place, and friendly atmosphere. The location within a residential area provides a glimpse of local life. It's ideal for cultural travelers seeking authenticity. The second last is Relax Inn Mafraq. Relax Inn lives up to its name, offering a calm and peaceful environment. Rooms are simple but comfortable without basic amenities. This highlight its affordability and quick setting away from the busy streets. The staff are attentive and welcoming, a good choice for budget-conscious travelers. The last one is Mafraq Modern Hotel. Mafraq Modern Hotel provides stylish accommodation with upgraded facilities at reasonable rates. Rooms are clean, spacious, and equipped with modern amenities like Wi-Fi and AC. The hotel also has a small cafe serving snacks and beverages. Guests highlight its cleanliness and professional service, a solid option for short and long visits. Here are some travel tips for Mafraq. Many hotels cater to visitors of local universities and professionals. Choose Sama Mafraq or Al Zahra for long some family-friendly stays, but traditional Georgian dishes like monksop and baklava at in-house restaurants. Buffalo are beer tourist hotspot like Petra or Aqaba, but its hotel offers comfort, affordability, and warm Georgian hospitality. From resort-style stays like Mafraq Hotel and Resort to family-run guest houses like Al Amal. Every traveler can find an option that suits their budget and style. Instant hotels ensure your stay in Mafraq is both convenient and welcoming.